take off this radio and replace it. Alright, so the first step when you're taking out this radio is basically you're gonna just pop off this entire panel here. You might just have to start at the top and then just kind of work your way around until it starts to loosen, kind of just like this, and just work it around like I said, and just be careful, try not to break anything, and you can see it's already started. There we go, we got the cover off, and here's where all the clips are, so just be careful not to pry on the clip. Maybe pry like right here, you know, and then you're gonna also remove this plug. Prop this up with a knee. Anyway, just put a flat head right here on this tab. Maybe I can get it with my panel tool. Anyways, you get the idea. We've got a 7mm here, one on either side of the radio. Get these bad boys loose, and you're good to go. Alright, once this is unbolted, we can just pull it out. We can unplug the ground. We can unplug the main wiring harness. We can unplug the antenna, and then it should just come home free. And I dropped some screws, which isn't good because I'll need those later. Okay, so I think the car is sufficiently disassembled. So the radio is in. That's always good. That's exciting. And yeah, it'll come right on, and it's secured back in with the 7mm. It's got little microphone. So yeah, it's really easy to put in. You'll basically need your radio, you'll need your wiring harness, and you'll need your dash kit. And I got this radio, the wiring harness, and the dash kit all in all for about $50 on Amazon. So it's pretty cool. It's got 2 charging ports. It's got, like I said, the microphone, Bluetooth, and all that good stuff. So it should work out pretty nicely for this little car.